Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be looking at anagrams. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so first I will tell you a little bit of intuition what anagrams are, and then we will look at the Python code for anagrams. Okay, you must have seen the Harry Potter movie, The Chamber of Secrets. There is a scene in that movie where Tom Marvolo riddle, these words, when you rearrange it, it becomes I am Lord Voldemort. Okay? So, what is this? When you rearrange the letters of a sentence or a word, it becomes another word, and they are nothing but anagrams or permutation of a set of words to make another word. This is anagram. Okay? So we saw that example in Harry Potter movie, Chamber of Secrets. Okay. So now we will write the code, Python code for anagrams. Plus earlier you might be knowing Hooke's law. Okay. Earlier in olden days, the goal of researchers was not to spread new knowledge, but to save his discovery from others. So what they used to do is they used to encode their discovery. The Hooke's law, the discovery was that force is directly proportional to the distance that a suspended spring is stretched at a distance x, then the force required to stretch the string will be directly proportional to x. This discovery, he wrote it in form of an anagram or permutation of the original word to hide the discovery from normal people. Okay, so that nobody can steal his or understand his discovery, right? So what we will do, the logic for the Python code. Before that, let us look at the basics. Let us look at the basics, some basic functions. We will see the sorted function that will be used to code the anagram Python code. Okay, so this sorted function, it can sort a dictionary, the keys of the dictionary in alphabetical order. We are printing the sorted of D, so it is printing the hello word in alphabetical order, EHLO. Okay, the keys. Then if you print, you can choose to sort the list based on the length of the string and not in alphabetical order. If you give the second argument, key is equals to length, then it will sort based on in ascending order the length of the string. Okay, see B, its alphabetical order is after A, but it is printed based on the number of letters in the string. Okay, and if I don't give that second argument key is equals to length, then by default it will sort the list based on in alphabetical order. A comes first, then B. Okay, then by default the sorted function sorts the lists and the dictionaries in ascending order. You can, if you give second argument reverse is equals to true, this T is capital. Okay, be careful, it will not work with small t. Okay, and print it, what will happen, it will sort the hello, this string, in reverse order, right, descending order, OLLHE, right? Okay, so now we can go into the anagram code. Okay, so the logic of the code is we will take input the first string, take input the second string. Now these two strings, if they are anagrams, they will be permutations, right? The number of the characters will be same. For example, silent. Let us see. Yeah, uh, we will see a small letter, cat and tack. Okay, they are permutations of each other. So if we arrange these letters in ascending order, that is A, C, T, for both the strings, if you arrange the letters in ascending order, A, C, T, then these two should be identical, then these two are anagrams, right? Yeah. So we are giving the condition if after sorting the characters of string 1, if it becomes equal to after sorting the characters of string 2, then these strings are anagrams. Otherwise we will print that strings are not anagrams. Okay, let us try to run this code. We will give first string as silent, the second string as listen, and they are anagrams cause silent and listen. Okay, let us give a little bit of space, like this. Okay, so it will be more presentable. Okay, let us run again. Silent, listen. So these are anagrams cause the constituent letters are same, right? Okay, and if I give another one, I want to give Tom, Marvolo, Riddle, and I am Lord Voldemort. Voldemort. They are also anagrams. Okay, don't remember in this program, don't give spaces between I am Lord Voldemort because spaces are also considered characters of the string. So spaces will also be matched. Okay, but if we ignore the spaces in between the letters and see only the letters, then these two are anagrams. Okay, so hope you like this video. Please share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and keep coding and just being better than you were yesterday. Bye bye. Take care.